Hi everyone! Let's learn some grammar. Let's look at today's key sentence. Tokyo is much bigger than my hometown. Let's break this down. Today's skill is describing a big difference between two things. Here we have two pictures, Tokyo Tower and my house. Tokyo Tower and my house are not the same height. Tokyo Tower is 333 meters tall. My house is 7. There's a big difference. So we can say Tokyo Tower is much taller than my house. If we want to add emphasis, we can add so before much. This makes the difference sound bigger. For example, Tokyo Tower is so much taller than my house. When you want to sound more formal or polite, you can use the following words instead of much: significantly, considerably, substantially. These words are very common in business English, and they can all be used interchangeably. When you want to sound more casual, you can use the following words instead of much: a lot, far, way. And in Australian English, it's very common to say heaps. These words are all common in spoken English, and they can be used interchangeably. Let's take a look at the structure. We start with item 1 and our auxiliary verb. So Tokyo is. Then we use much with a comparative adjective. For example, much bigger. Instead of much, of course, you can use a lot, considerably, significantly, way, far, heaps. Then we use than, and we use item number 2, than my hometown. So this becomes Tokyo is much bigger than my hometown. Let's look at some examples. Let's go to the Italian restaurant. It's much closer. Oh, I'm happy I bought this one. It's heaps better than the other one. Your car is way more expensive than mine. Living in China is a lot cheaper than living in Australia. Oh, our new office is far bigger than our old one. His PC is significantly faster than mine. Thank you very much for watching today's lesson. If you would like to practice the grammar, please leave an example sentence in the comments below. Also, if you found today's lesson helpful, please like and subscribe. Bye.